And the breaking news that we are beginning this bulletin with now, the Narcotics Bureau that has been working on a crackdown on the drug angle is going to release a statement tomorrow morning on the drug angle. Let's listen in to the joint director of the NCB that has been probing this matter in Mumbai. Let's listen in to KPS Malhotra.
सर क्या लीड मिली है एनसीबी को?
Sir, we are investigating this. Just a minute. As far as this case is concerned, the person arrested in the case, there are linkages which are under probe. So, as far as linkages are concerned, there is no official statement, but we have issued an official statement in the morning and our stance.
शौविक का नाम सामने है।
सर हिंदी में एक बार और ये रिपीट कर दीजिए। किस तरीके की पूछताछ हुई है, कौन-कौन लोग अभी तक गिरफ्त में हैं और जैद ने क्या कुछ बताया है?
जैद ने और जो दूसरा अरेस्ट बासित ने जो भी बताया वो आपको ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट शेयर हो चुकी है। उस ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट पे ही हमारा अभी स्टैंड है। जो कल आएगा, नेक्स्ट आएगा, ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट दे दीजिए।
सर शौविक का नाम सामने है। शौविक का जैद ने शौविक का नाम लिया।
लेट अस इन्वेस्टिगेट।
सर शौविक का नाम लिया है जैद।
कोर्ट में कब प्रोड्यूस करेंगे?
कल टुमारो।
शौविक की चैट रिट्रीव हुई है जिसमें जैद से बात कर रहा है जिसकी गिरफ्तारी हुई है।
एक बार बता दीजिए, नाम लिया है क्या जैद ने? अरे
Let's go across to my colleague, senior correspondent Piyush Mishra, who's been tracking each and every moment, whether it's at the NCB or the ED office, who's joining us now. Piyush, take us through what the NCB will be briefing tomorrow morning, because it's crystal clear the drug mafia, the drug syndicate is going to be busted by them. By tracking each and every development at the NCB office, at the ED offices. Piyush, we've seen you yesterday when you got Gaurav Arya's camera person. We've seen you earlier when you've tried to be confronting and getting full confrontations with Riaz Shovik and others in the case. It's clear the NCB is probing the drug angle and they've stumbled onto something massive. What is this statement tomorrow going to be pinpointing?
This is massive. For the first time, NCB officially has confirmed that they are going to follow more leads. They have arrested Basit and Zayed, and tomorrow they will be produced in court. That's a big statement coming in. Moreover, we are going to wait for the official statement. Tomorrow in the morning, NCB is going to release a detailed statement on the kind of evidence which they have got, the kind of investigation which NCB has conducted in the entire case. NCB has also confirmed that more leads to be followed, more and more investigation to be done in this case, which somewhere tells us that they have got big leads after these two people have been arrested. And also they are going to get more links as far as this entire case is concerned, which clearly indicates that it's going to be a much problematic situation for Shovik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. We know that one of these arrested peddlers has already taken the name of Shovik Chakraborty, and also we know that how the chats have surfaced on which took place on 17th March 2020 between Shovik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda, in which Shovik shared the number of one of the arrested peddlers. So this is somewhere going to be a big investigation at the part of NCB. We also saw that how after the kind of leads those were given by these peddlers, many raids were conducted. What we are picking is that it could be possible that more people could be detained and further investigations can take place as far as this case is concerned. So it's now crystal clear that NCB is going to move ahead. They are going to investigate the drug angle more deeply. We also heard statement coming in from NCB officer, where he confirmed to us that tomorrow a detailed statement will be released. We will have to wait and watch as to what all things NCB is going to mention. They have also said that they have